We ask you guys to do drills, right? No matter what drill it is. If we say you need to go to that blue line, let's say it's goal line to blue line, we'll have guys come out and they start slowing down right here. Some guys finish where we told them to finish. Some guys actually go a little further. If we're grading character, okay, you guys all, everyone says, right, you want to play college hockey? Some NHL dreams in here? Which guys do you think are going to make it? The guys that stop here, go to there, or go to there on a drill? This guy stops early. What does that tell you about this guy? Could be lazy, could be average. Okay, what do we think about the guy that stopped where we told him to stop? He did what we told him, right? There's nothing wrong with that. But is that guy going to make it to the highest levels? No. Yeah, he's doing extra. Okay, he's doing more than somebody asked, okay? If you guys take a test in school, you got an 85, good job. But if you get a 90, 95, 100, that's pretty special. We got to get this mentality that we got to try a little harder. We got to do something different than everybody else does. Okay, so most players here, most players are going to start, they're stopping right over here. You'll get a few guys that do exactly what we told them. That guy down there that does a little extra, you may see 1 or 2 guys at the most out of this whole group. Okay, you have a decision to make in life. It's not just a drill, it's not school, there's a lot of different things. Either you want to try harder and try better, and do some special things, then you need to be that guy down there. Does that make sense? Hey, make a decision. You got a decision to make every time you step on the ice, every time you take a test in school. Whatever it is, you've got a decision to make. We can't follow you around all the time. Come on, try harder, come on, you can do better. You got to want it yourself. I want you to try hard. Yes? All right.